So here in this coordinate geometry, so let's start with distance between 2 points. So I gave you the formulas already. So now this is examples. Find the distance between the points 2, 5 and 5, 9. So we have 2, 5 and 5, 9. So for any 2 points here, the first point is S1, the second one is Y1, this one is S2, this one is Y2. So now the formula for distance between 2 points is square root of y2 minus y1 square plus s2 minus s1 square. So distance is equals to square root of, now y2 you can see it here, 9, just substitute. So that will be 9 minus y1, yeah, that's 5 square plus s2, 5 minus s1, 2 square. So d equals 9 minus 5, that is 4 square, 5 minus 2, 3 square. So everything here is just substitution. So d is equals to 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9. So distance will be equal square root of 25. 16 plus 9, 25. So distance is equals to 5. So in this formula, anyone can come first. If you like, write s2 minus s1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Anyone. So this is just substitution. So take note of the formulas. So this is formula for distance between 2 points. So let's see another question. So let's say we have, this one is, what is the value of r if the distance between the points 4, 2 and 1, r is 3 units. So what is the value of r if the distance between the points 4, 2 and 1, r is 3 units? So we have 2 points, 4, 2 and 1, r. So take note, for any 2 points, the first number is x1, y1, s2, y2. So here they gave us the distance as 3. So you will still use the same formula. So distance is equals to square root of y2 minus y1 square plus s2 minus s1 square. So distance is equals to square root of y2, this is y2, r minus y1, that's 2, r minus 2 square plus s2, 1 1 minus s1 4 square. So but the distance is given as 3, so that means 3 is equal to square root of r minus 2 square plus minus 3 square, because 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Now how do you take care of these square roots? So you have to square both sides. Square both sides. So you have 3 square equals roots r minus 2 square plus minus 3 square. Square, like we square both sides, that is put square here, put square here, that's the meaning. So we square both sides. So if you square both sides, this square will now cancel these roots. That is why we square both sides. So 3 square is what? 9. You know, these roots has cancelled this square, so it remains r minus 2 square plus 9, because minus 3 square is 9. Minus 3 times minus 3. Now collect like terms. So we have r square. So r minus 2 square is equals to 9 minus 9. So r minus 2 square equals 0, because 9 minus 9 is 0. So r minus 2 is equal to square root of 0. That is, let me even include, you should have plus or minus 0 because of this square. So plus or minus 0. But you now have roots, because you need to turn this square to square roots. But don't forget, add plus or minus. I have reason for that, because you should have 2 answers. So in case, in option, we will know which answer to pick. So now this will be r minus 2 equals plus or minus square root of 0 is 0. So r is equals to 2 plus or minus 0. That is, this is minus. If we come here, it becomes plus. So 2 plus or minus 0. So 2 plus or minus 0 is still r equals 2. So plus or minus 0 means r equals 2 plus 0, or r equals 2 minus 0. So r equals 2 or r equals 2, which is still 2. So like that. So that is the answer here.